Did you know that in the 1920s, hundreds of young women literally glowed in the dark as they died? From 1917 to 1926, American factory girls painted watch dials with radium to make them shine. Their bosses told them radium was healthy. They even said it would make their skin beautiful. The girls were taught to lick their paintbrushes to make perfect points for the tiny numbers. But something horrifying was happening. The radium was eating through their jawbones. Their teeth fell out. Their bones actually glowed green in the dark, like something from a nightmare. They were dying from the inside out. Here's the most evil part. The factory owners knew radium was deadly. When they handled it, they used lead shields and metal tongs. But they told the girls it was safe because it made them more money. These brave women became known as the Radium Girls. They fought back with lawsuits that created our modern safety laws. But most died before they ever saw justice. Their bones are still radioactive today,